What's going on, guys? You guys looking to move to San Antonio in the next 30, 60, 90 days? Check out these houses that we have for you. Out here on Tranquil in 211, San Antonio, beautiful northwest side of town, beautiful neighborhood. Come check out what we have. We got some new construction going on. Alright, yeah, this is amazing Perry home, guys. 2,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. The average price in this neighborhood is around 450. Obviously, it's a model home, so we're gonna look at different price point. Again, somewhere around 500 for a place like this, but just look at the beauty on this, man. Now, as you walk in, you get some high ceilings. It's a 4-bedroom, right? So here on the left, you have access to 2 bedrooms. Here on the right, this wouldn't be here. This would be garage doors, but you have a mud closet here. Mud bench, I'm sorry. And then you have your two out of the 4 rooms here. Right, here's the baby room. And this is the restroom that is shared with these 2 restrooms and the guest bath. All right, we go back down this way. And here we have, it's gonna be the washer and dryer room. And on this side, we have room number 3. With its own private bath. Check out this beautiful kitchen. There's some gas. 42-inch cabinets, high ceilings, open layout from the kitchen. Here's the kitchen sink. All right, look at all that natural sunlight. All right, this is the living room. There's the kitchen. Over there is the media room. And then we're gonna go into the master bedroom. You guys are gonna love this. Check out this beautiful master bedroom, guys. Sliding door for the bathroom. Some high ceilings, guys. Beautiful tub, guys. Her own shower. Here's in her closet. And here's in her sink. It's a beautiful house, guys. Let's go check out the back. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about this property. Okay, here we go in the back. Covered patio. They kept the tile work going on from the inside. And the house is all brick on this, guys. All brick around. Just Perry quality, guys. This is the quality that Perry Homes builds, and the kind of quality that we like to offer here. Just because we know you guys aren't gonna have any issue with something like this. All right, guys. So there you have it. If you guys are thinking about moving to San Antonio, don't forget to let me know. I can help you find the perfect house. I got incentives on these new houses. We can help you move in, save you about $20,000 just by talking to me and having the right information, guys. So on to the next video. Thank you.